It sure looks like we have a bad crystal here. Let's see. Yes, we did have a bad crystal. You'd normally be able to see that pin 39 on the processor is pulsing, as this one is. And also the E signal should be pulsing also. And this one is also. Pin 38 is just low. Here we have the second Hangar Queen MPU that was sent for repair. Didn't boot at all, and somebody had removed U28 here and done a horrible job, as you saw in the pictures that I rolled in at the start of the video. It also removed the 6116 at U23, and you'll note that this has a Hitachi processor in it, which means that you need to clip W17 in this section, and that was done. But at some point, somebody had replaced the processor here, the main processor at U15, with a processor that is not a Hitachi processor, and they had removed W16 previously, as was proper if it's a Hitachi processor, but every other processor brand requires W16 to be in. So I reinstalled it, cleaned up this jumper here also, and made sure the processor worked. And you can see that it is operating properly now. Actually, you can hear it. So here's the lamp matrix. And there's two coils on right now. Those are probably visor coils for Pin Bot. So let's put it into test. And we can do music test. By the way, I have my own soundboard connected here with the Pin Bot ROM in it. Next test, display test. This is my new Victor Pinsider dumbass display universal module. It's really nice because it supports all System 11 games and now System 9 games. Super nice. And there you go. Those are all the sounds for Pin Bot. Lamp matrix. And we can do single lamps. Oh, this also had a failed transistor here at Q59, which is a 2N 6427, I want to say, and it was causing column 4 to lock on. Not the case any longer. Now we go to coil test. And you can see that Pin Bot, being an early System 11 game, used a different coil to drive the AC select relay, and it was this one here. You can see all those are working fine. And now if I hook up the connector for the special solenoids, you can see the flipper ground circuits are live now. That was all correct. Let me get over here and do these. Yeah. So the switch inputs and the special solenoids are all working correctly. So here you're going to see a red LED light and then a green and the red LED light. And that means the AC select relay is being turned on. Sorry to be redundant here, but I think I missed one of these when I looked at it before. I want to make sure they're all working. Yeah, so they are all working. And we can do switch edges. Such a pleasant sound. And the last switch on Pin Bot is switch 60. So all those are working properly also. Go through audits. Let me get to adjustment 23, set it to free play. Since I've got NVRAM installed in here, it should come up in free play, ready to go when we reboot it again. So I'm going to power off and power back on, show you the boot LEDs. Here's one of my hang tags that I put on there. I just press the credit button to start a game and it recognizes that some balls are missing. All right, thank you for sending these. Glad to have them ready to go for you.